Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Conical Burr coffee grinder is an essential tool for anyone looking to move beyond the limitations of pre-ground coffee or basic blade grinders. This specific electric model is designed to provide a high level of precision and consistency for home use, retailing for approximately $60 at the time of writing. At its core, the machine utilizes stainless steel conical burrs, which are widely considered superior to blades because they crush the beans into uniform particles rather than hacking them into uneven shards. This distinction is vital for the quality of the final brew, as uniform grounds allow for a more even extraction of flavor and aroma. With 35 different grind settings, this device offers a broad range of versatility, making it suitable for almost any brewing method, including the very fine requirements of espresso and the much coarser needs of a French press or cold brew. When looking at the build and design of this grinder, the first thing to notice is its sleek black finish and compact footprint. It is designed to fit comfortably on most kitchen countertops without taking up excessive space, which is a common concern for home baristas. The bean hopper sits at the top and is constructed to hold a significant amount of whole beans, while the ground coffee container at the bottom is engineered to stay firmly in place during the grinding process. One of the standout design elements is the inclusion of anti-static technology. Static electricity is a common byproduct of the grinding process, often causing coffee grounds to cling to the container or fly out onto the workspace when the bin is removed. By incorporating an anti-static design, the manufacturer aims to minimize this mess, ensuring that more of the coffee ends up in the filter rather than on the counter. The interface is straightforward, featuring a cup selector dial that allows users to choose between 2 and 12 cups, as well as a simple start button to begin the process. The black plastic housing is durable and easy to wipe down, maintaining a clean appearance even with daily use. Performance is where a Conical Burr grinder truly proves its worth. The 35 precision settings allow for a degree of control that is necessary for dialing in the perfect cup. For instance, if a drip coffee tastes a bit too sour or thin, a user can easily adjust the dial to a slightly finer setting to increase the extraction. Conversely, if a brew is coming out too bitter or harsh, moving to a coarser setting can help balance the flavor. This level of granularity is particularly important for espresso lovers who need to find the exact point where the water flows through the puck at the right speed. The motor is designed to operate at a speed that reduces heat friction, which is important because heat can prematurely release the volatile oils in the coffee, leading to a loss of flavor before the water even touches the grounds. The stainless steel used in the burrs is chosen for its durability and resistance to wear over time. Unlike ceramic burrs, which can be prone to chipping if a small stone or particularly hard bean enters the hopper, stainless steel is resilient and maintains its sharp edges through thousands of grinding cycles. This longevity ensures that the 35 settings remain accurate over the life of the product. The cup selector function adds a layer of convenience for daily use. Instead of having to weigh out beans for every single pot, the user can set the dial to the desired number of cups, and the grinder will run for a predetermined amount of time to produce roughly the right amount of grounds. This makes the morning routine more efficient while still providing the benefits of freshly ground beans. The range of settings covers the entire spectrum of modern coffee preparation. On the finer end of the scale, the grinder can produce a powdery consistency that is necessary for the pressurized baskets found in many home espresso machines. Moving toward the middle of the range, users will find the ideal grit for pour-over methods where the flow rate of the water is heavily dependent on the resistance provided by the grounds. For those using an AeroPress or a mocha pot, the intermediate settings allow for a customized profile that can highlight the specific notes of a light roast or the body of a dark roast. On the coarsest end, the grinder produces large, distinct particles that are perfect for cold brew, where the beans steep in water for several hours, or for a French press, where a fine silt would otherwise bypass the metal mesh filter and create a muddy texture in the cup. This grinder is best suited for a specific type of coffee drinker. It is an ideal choice for the home enthusiast who is ready to upgrade from a basic setup but is not quite ready to spend hundreds of dollars on a professional-grade machine. Because it handles everything from fine to coarse grinds, it is a great all-in-one solution for households that enjoy various styles of coffee. For example, if one person in the house prefers a strong espresso while another prefers a large carafe of drip coffee, this machine can accommodate both without needing a second device. It is also a good fit for those who prioritize cleanliness and ease of use, thanks to the anti-static features and the automated cup selector. While it may not offer the extreme precision required by competitive baristas, it provides more than enough control for the vast majority of home brewing scenarios. Its approachable price point makes it a low-risk entry into the world of burr grinding, offering a significant jump in quality over more primitive methods. The anti-static design is not just a marketing claim but a functional necessity for a high-speed electric grinder. When the burrs spin at high revolutions per minute, the friction generates electrons that build up on the surface of the coffee particles. In a standard grinder, these charged particles repel each other and stick to the neutral plastic surfaces of the machine. This model uses specialized materials and grounding techniques to dissipate that charge before the coffee leaves the grinding chamber. This results in a much smoother flow of grounds into the collection bin. The bin itself is often designed with a transparent window so users can see exactly how much coffee has been processed. The lid of the bean hopper is typically airtight, which helps to keep the whole beans fresh by limiting their exposure to oxygen while they sit in the machine. Maintenance is also a key part of the design. The top burr is usually removable, allowing users to reach into the grinding chamber with a small brush to remove any leftover oils or fine dust that could go rancid and affect the flavor of future batches. In conclusion, this Conical Burr coffee grinder offers a balanced mix of performance, convenience, and value. For roughly $60, it provides the essential features needed to significantly improve the taste of home-brewed coffee. The 35 settings offer enough flexibility to explore different brewing techniques, while the anti-static design addresses one of the most frustrating aspects of home grinding. While the plastic construction and automated timer might not satisfy the most demanding coffee purists who prefer manual weighing and heavy-duty metal housings, the machine delivers a consistent and reliable experience for the average user. It serves as a practical investment for anyone who values the freshness and complexity that only freshly ground beans can provide. By focusing on the fundamentals of grind uniformity and user convenience, this grinder establishes itself as a solid contender for anyone looking to enhance their daily coffee ritual without overcomplicating the process or breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.